Hi guys, I have a new fidget spinner. This is my first video. Hi. I got my new fidget spinner. It's so cool. And I'm from Philippines, but I know how to do.
Kakausapin ka daw. Dami yung hika mo eh.
So, my sister's gonna do it. I have two fidget spinner. Wait, I'm gonna
Funny
that.
ako.
This is my funny.
Spinners. I'm Lala. And I
This is my sister funny.
I hate fidget spinner. I just want to get hands. Look.
So, my sister is so funny. But I
Hold
like...
the camera for me. I'm good at dancing.
You're not.
See?
I'm gonna do the video. Somewhere
Somewhere out there.
It's really cute.
Let's go ahead. Not funny today. Let's go and do double one.
My sister's gonna do double fidget spinner. Whoa!
See?
You might... You might break that. That's so scary. Oh no, the camera! I meant to clean it. Can I clean the camera?
Kuwari daw, ito lang yung fidget spinner. Oh, this is just my fidget spinner. I think that's just weird. Some fidget spinners. I gotta open it. It's a blue fidget spinner. What is this then?
My sister is replayed it.
Okay, you got this fidget spinner. I like
Thanks.
this
Oh, it's so cool. Wait, I'm just gonna put the camera on there. So, guys, this is very cool. This is
Oh, there's one
part-
more.
This is just...
There's one more, guys. What is this? Could it be?
Another fidget spinner. My sister just replayed it.
I love fidget spinner. I'm gonna sing. Just my made up. I like fidget spinner. The only one is me. When they play two boys. Two boys fidget spinner. Don't care about fidget spinner. You're supposed to care about one fidget spinner. Check. One fidget spinner.
So, bye guys!
One fidget spinner, just go. And bye!
Click the subscribe button so that we can do billion subscribers.
And when you get, when you listen,
wag, kasi hindi naman natin ibibigay.
we're not gonna give you anything. I'm so sad.
So, bye!
I hate you!
My sister is just doing funny things. Bye!